Today we will learn how to slice photo and post on Instagram using Photoshop. If you want to slice photo and post on Instagram, then download action file from description. Open Photoshop. Recently I am using Photoshop CC 2017 version. In Photoshop, go to Window menu bar and select Action. From Action panel, click on Fly button and load action which you have download now. After loading your action, go to Fly button and select button mode. It will appear two options, 3 slices and 4 slice. You can select any option as per your choice. I am selecting first option. Select photo which you want to slice in 3 parts. Rearrange your photo and press Enter key. Photoshop will automatically slice your photo in 3 parts. To save your photo, click on Export All button. Select location where you want to save your photo. Transfer this photo in your phone. Open Instagram. Select multiple photo option and post it. If you like our home screen, you can watch video from I button and make your own home screen.